The Rajant network places connectivity that is unbreakable at the core of its roadmap, and we're proud to be part of that ecosystem with them. We value the partnership very highly.
To work together as companies and offer our clients a better level of service, that's where we see the benefit there. So our software helps people react. Rajant hardware enables that high availability network, so it seemed like a very good fit to work together.
I can tell our clients that we're dealing with state-of-the-art technology.
It's attractive to a customer who doesn't have to think, hey, I got to replace 2,000, 5,000 radios in one shot. We can take segments and do 30 at a time, 40 at a time. It's nice that we've been able to create usage with whether it's FreeWave, MDS, Cambium. We've been able to remove those systems and replace with Rajant, one radio at a time, really.
For our clients, the flexibility of the Rajant hardware is what's critical in the decisions that our clients have chosen in recent times to use Rajant hardware for their operations.
It's really the people at Rajant. We've had great success partnering up. When we bring them a solution like an oil and gas or EV charging, as we discuss these opportunities and we bring it to them and say, hey, we really need this option, we need this feature. Well, let's see the use case. Let's see if we can't work together to present a solution together. Rajant's brought us opportunities, we've brought them opportunities. There's never been any doubt in our mind that Rajant wasn't there behind us 24/7.
We had the team from Rajant coming to our premises and testing this complex scenario where we could easily pilot and drive a robot that was 1 mile, 1.5 kilometers from where we were.
The ingenuity of Rajant, the teamwork that Rajant has, the custom ability that Rajant has to design products based on the feedback from the partners.
Our experience with Rajant is it's really now taking the Kinetic Mesh solution to the next level.
The ruggedness, the ability to not lose connection.
Rajant is a very clear purpose in what it does as a technology, and that is resilience.